Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by opening the spreadsheet and picking the assets and attributes you need. Once done, lay out a compact header row for tickers and attribute calls. This prevents confusion later. Make sure to set the sheet locale and currency in file settings so results format correctly. Now type a ticker into a cell and place the cursor where you want a Google Finance formula. This is the first actionable step that gets live data flowing into your sheet. Next, construct the actual Google Finance formulas and test one ticker at a time so you can troubleshoot easily. For live price use equals Google Finance, Apple, price. For historical ranges include start and end dates plus an interval. Once you see correct output, wrap formulas with index or VLOOKUP to pull single values into dashboards, or use array formula to apply calls to columns of tickers. Also make sure to limit frequency. Excessive requests can trigger rate limits, so batch calls when possible. To finish, lock down formatting and add summaries like percent change and moving averages based on Google Finance outputs. Once done, implement a simple cache. Either paste values periodically or schedule apps script refresh triggers to reduce live queries. If you see #n/o or #ref, check ticker spelling, attribute names, and whether you hit rate limits. When in doubt, test a single formula in a new sheet. Finally, make sure permissions and locale are correct so numeric parsing and currency symbols.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.